Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to Saral Trader. So we will start with our daily review. The first is Nasdaq. So this is the Nasdaq chart, and as I said that above 510, we will only look for buying opportunities. So today there was if you look at the smaller time frames, there was a sharp dump right at the open, and we reached the key pivot. This is the red line is a very strong pivot, and then there was a shakeout opportunity as well. The selling pressure was very high, and we even went down to 509, taking out a lot of stops, but then we gained control, and the whole day we were sideways in the range. So now with 509 508 kind of becoming a very strong support, I'm expecting that we don't have a signal yet, but I'm expecting that we may make a counter trend move to 520, 525 kind of levels should come. So let's see. I have rolled over my hedges today in Nasdaq. Now let's look at IWM. So IWM also showed a lot of weakness. Yesterday, as we had a major dump right at the open. If you look at the price action, so we had a large dump at the open in the first half an hour. Then the next half an hour it continued. They tried, and then in this candle, the looked like bulls have gained control, and we went up. But right at this level where the markets opened, again a fresh round of selling started, and the signal was reversed. We got a buy signal here, but the signal was reversed, and then in the morning there was a major dump which came in. But this is the support line that I had drawn, and we got the demand, and now we went in. I scalped in the day during the intraday, but it's just a very risky thing. See, futures. The issue with futures is that they look very enticing. Just in case you're making money scalping intraday, looks very sexy and exciting because the dollar value looks high. You get four ticks, you are $200 up. But generally, I have seen that intraday trading is a very risky scenario, and it's very difficult for people to take stops. So it's better that you do whatever you're doing, you do on swings. It will work better for you and with hedges. So this was it. IWM, I have my long positions. I rolled over my hedges today, and if somebody is bullish, they can create a position, in my opinion. Now, crude oil, complete devastation happened on the crude oil. This is the continuous chart. So continuously, there was a major selling, there was some effort, but then again there was a major dump. Now on daily charts, we have reached in a very strong support zone, demand zone, I should say. So from 69 to 67, bulls have always held it for the last 1 year. So in my opinion, I have just rolled over my hedges, and I am still in the long position. Now it's a very strong zone. We traded this earlier with USO and we got our full targets. Now again, we have reached the oversold levels. There is a good risk reward here. But in the counter trend trade, you have to stay with the trade. You cannot, we don't have stops in that. So we keep buying if the levels keep triggering. And just in case something goes out of the whack, makes a very high standard deviation move against us, then we do more adjustments that, I share with my clients. Now look at some of the charts on Tesla. So Tesla, those who follow me on Twitter and in my free group, I gave a target of around 310. So that target was met. A very heavy selling came in today, and we went down significantly, meeting the targets. And then we took a counter trend trade today in the Tesla ETF, which is TSLL. This is the 2x ETF. So this reached our levels. Now the counter trend system only buys weakness, right? We don't buy, and the targets here are small. Last week also we took a trade in Tesla, and it worked very well. So TSLL we have bought now. So that is one good trade that we took today. Then Amazon triggered our levels. We bought at 206, and we got a very good move intraday, around $6 move today itself. So hoping that we will get our full target soon. So this was a counter trend trade that we took today. Then we booked profits in one of our positions, which was AMT. So AMT, we got interested somewhere here, and then we were just waiting for it to give a confirmation. The confirmation came around here at 190, and we were holding this position for almost a lot of time. And then today we got a big bump on the earnings boom, and we exited our entire position. We got around 7% in that. Um, and then Amazon we discussed. Now we can see Google. So Google is probably moving towards 170, 175 kind of level, 170 levels, and we will be adding this. This is one of that open trades for us, a positional trade. We will be adding more, and we have a trade open in Nextera. So Nextera is a utilities company, and we have been in this for a while. It's slightly down around 1.5%. We are down on it, but now it is showing that there can be a big move. So I mean, there can be a swing move coming in it. The first target will be around 75, 76. So we are holding this position. Then CMG. So CMG is a counter trend trade. We got a very good move here today. Let's see. We are still away from our targets. Um, so some of the ETFs that we are holding, CAF again moving down, but I think it's towards the end of its move. Let's see. We have not added it more, but we plan to add it. And then Amazon covered. So this is pretty much it, for now. If and then MicroStrategy, if I shared, MicroStrategy also met its full target. I gave a target of 260. We actually went down, and we have exactly touched our pivot. And if you look at time series, there might be some bounce here. Already there is a bounce. So we may have some bounce here, and then let's see. But this particular trend has met its target. Now we will have to see how this shapes up. This is it. If you have any other question, do let me know. One more chart is Campbell Soup. So Campbell Soup is in a good mood right now. I hope we'll get our full targets at 43. We are holding this position for a while. So let's see how it goes. Thank you guys. If you have any questions, do let me know. Follow me on Twitter. You can also follow me on my free Telegram channel, and look forward to see you guys. Thank you.